Hi Dr. Carolyn, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I wanted to create this video to show you 3 things you could do to start ranking on Google, essentially growing your clientele. The 3 things I want to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So content is simply just the words and photos on your home page. We see that you guys don't have a whole lot of words on your home page, and Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Also, when we go to click on an image and we save the image, we see that it is currently saved as Feature 44 IMG 1. So you want to get all your images saved as keywords. Taking a look at your competition, The Joint, we see that they have quite a bit of content on their home page, probably between 2,000 and 3,000 words. Looking at Savannah Chiropractic Center, they don't have a whole lot. They might have between maybe 700 to 800 words. Complete Chiropractic, they also don't have a whole lot, maybe about 1,000 words. So that's all very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we search for Savannah Chiropractor, the first thing we're going to see are the paid ads at the top. The next thing is the map pack, and after that is the organic section. And ideally, that's where you want to be found, in the map pack and organic, because statistics show that not a lot of people actually click on paid ads. So citations are simply just your business name, your address, and your phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. And we can see that you are actually in the top 3, so that's great. Just if you're curious, to check out everyone's citations, I use a website called whitespark.ca. We see that you guys have 59, The Joint has 20, Savannah Chiropractic Center has 44, and Complete Chiropractic has 45. So you are beating all your competition, so that's great. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and backlinks are how we rank here in the organic section. And a backlink is simply just one site pointing to another site, giving that site more authority in Google's eyes. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. When we are looking at yours, we see that you guys have 379 backlinks. The Joint has 40. Savannah Chiropractic Center has 80. And Complete Chiropractic has 58. So while you do have the most backlinks out of everyone, Google likes to see relevant backlinks. So say you had a website in California, a chiropractic website, linking back to your website, that is a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut. And Google knows the difference. Along with relevant backlinks, you definitely need to be found for local keywords. So when we're looking at Savannah Chiropractor, that's a keyword. The volume is how many searches per month, and the KD is the level of difficulty it is to rank for that keyword. And here the position is where you sit with that keyword. So if somebody was to search Savannah Chiropractor, you would be in the 17th position. So there's 250 for that keyword. Savannah, Georgia chiropractors, there's 30. Chiropractor Pooler, Georgia, there's another 250. Chiropractor Savannah, Georgia, there's 200. We see you're in the 22nd position, the 24th, and the 16th. So you definitely want to be found for those keywords, because roughly about 35% of traffic that goes to those keywords are going to click on the number 1 position. So just to do a recap, I would go ahead and add probably another 1,000 words to your home page of keyword-rich content. I would get your photos optimized as well. You guys are doing pretty good in the map path. You're already in the 3rd position. We don't count the ad. And then for backlinks, you guys are doing well in the backlinks. However, you're not being found for any keywords, so we definitely need to get that fixed. That is it. If you have any questions, you can feel free to either reach back out in this email, info@peerlessstrategies.com, or feel free to call me directly at 912-661-3473. Thanks so much, Dr. Carolyn, and I hope you have a great day.